Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make these really cute little bird feeders. So there's loads of lovely treats on here for the birds and they'll be only delighted. So you can make them in different colours with different feathers. I'm going to show you all that in a sec, but for now I'm just going to hang mine on the tree over here. And when they're made, you just hang them like that. Stand a good bit away so as not to scare the birds away, and just sit and watch and wait for them to come and feed.